Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am using the Daydream Limitless kit, the Daydream Essentials kit, and whatever else I want to get my hands on for June 2023. So we have some amazing things in this kit. We have got the 3-pack of the Where to Next stencils, and I want to use this one that looks like globes that will totally work for my situation. And I have the add-on paper pack that you can get in the a la carte section. And I think you can also get it like on the kit page, they give you suggestions. So since I have that, I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut out just this piece that looks torn with the airplane because I want to pop it up on top of this one. I think this is going to be cute. Then, trying to see if I'm going to, no, I don't know. I keep trying to see if I want to mat it because look at my photo. My photo has a lot of yellow in it and I think it would really work. So, okay, I'm going to mat it on this one. So take off the piece called Take Off. I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this piece out, gut this piece that is called Chronicle because of course I want to use the center. It's gorgeous. Then we're going to play with a little mixed media in a moment. Let me tell you about my photo. This is a photo of Nick, and this is my daughter's hand. And hey, she said yes. And clearly, he's excited. So really kind of cool way the photographer did this, where you can really see her hand, and he's a little blurred out in the background. But you can tell he's a lot. He's hilarious. So that will be my photo. I'm going to put it aside because I do have a fair amount of mixed media I'm going to do. All right, so let me trim this to size. I'm going to gut this out and I'll show you some mixed media. All right, so I have this matted. That's awesome. So what I did is I put a little blob of some molding paste that I just have in my stash. Don't even know when I got it, but it was from Vicky Boutin. So I was feeling kind of Vicky Boutin-y. Actually, it's iridescent glaze, but I have that and I thought I would mix it with the Distress Oxide and Fossilized Amber that I got this month from the Kit Club and see what kind of fun colors I can get with this one. And then let me grab another little spatula. And this is, the other blob is mixed with the Distressed Oxide spray. So I should get kind of a different vibe with both. The Distressed Oxide spray feels a little more liquidy, like it should. And the Distress Oxide ink is less liquidy. I know, so technical. And what I'm going to do, and don't gasp, is I'm going to go ahead and take this cut file and just kind of go for it. I figure I'll put blue towards the top, yellow coming down towards the lower half, and just see how it goes because I don't even have a plan yet. My plan was literally, I just want to play with some mixed media. Oh, and then of course I was going to cut this. Now, I don't have to put anything right here because I'm going to go ahead and pop up that this piece right here that I will fussy cut out. I hope that makes sense. It makes sense in my designing head. I just hope that it makes sense, for you guys listening to me ramble while I'm thinking through some creativity. Now, I am probably going to have to mix up a little more. That's perfectly fine. I didn't want to waste any, but I wanted to make sure I also dug it. Not that I can really take it away. So I'm not fully filling it in. I just want it to be a little messy and rather organic, but guys, look at how cute. Okay, I'm gonna do more yellow because I want more yellow coming this way, and then we'll jump into the blue. All right, y'all, wanted to show this to you, and then I have to clean a big ol' mess up. Guys, I'm a mess. So that is looking rather fancy and fine, and I really wanted to have so much of the emphasis on this cool piece, but of course I'm gonna have to put my photo on something too. My photo will be here-ish. So looks like there's a lot here, but you know how mixed media is, it gets covered. I'm gonna do a little bit of splatters in these same areas, which basically, guys, I'm a mess. I will once again go like this with the fossilized amber. Oh, and when I do my splatters, it's going to come out, you know, a way deeper yellow than what I have with the glaze because, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm grabbing a paintbrush because it is way more diluted, you know, when it has white. So I'm going to just go ahead, get some splatters, the yellow on the yellow, the blue on the blue, and then let this dry. So this is almost dry, but you know, I have no patience. So I just went ahead and popped my cool little airplane on top of the other airplane. And so now I have this whole thing going on and I'm loving it. So next thing I'm going to do is start matting this photo. And you know, like always, I like to try to use, if possible, scraps first, just so I don't have as many of them kicking around. Like this is like a scrap of adhesive I'm just trying to use up. So let's go ahead and grab some of this. This is going to give us lots of the colors from the collection, which I like. Then what else do we have? So I have that. I think maybe a little, bringing in a little bit of the yellow that we have right here. This scrap would be good, but I need a solid in between. Well, I'm going to call this a solid. I'll go with mostly the navy in between. I think that will work. We'll get that popped up, a little scuffed up. I do have the edges of this paper as well as my airplane and clouds paper scuffed up. So I'm going to do that with those pieces. Then I get to start hunting for ephemera. I'm going to grab these thickers that are from the Essentials kit and bring them in for my title. My title will be She Said Yes. I thought it'd be super graphic and bold with this funny picture of Nick. And then, guys, this might be one of those things where the layout just goes boom, boom, boom together. So I started placing things and I like where things are going. I'm going to grab the sequin mix that works with this and kind of tuck it under this whole edge here. So it's going to bring it into much stronger relief. Then I can tack these goodies down. Making a little decision on this pink piece here. I know I want to bring it some of this bright pink. Oh, that works. I knew I wanted to bring some of that down just because I had the pink up here. Now, do I have anything in this color right here? I don't know. So I thought I'd show you where we are. I like the title. I just got to see if I want to bring it in as more of a thing over where this cluster is or have it be its own thing, because this feels like a cluster and this does. So I don't know, maybe the title can hang out. The reason why I like it the way it is because I like how the mixed media is coming down. So maybe we will bring this piece right over to the title and make that a cluster. Okay, that will work. I'm going to grab some black and white twine for this right here. And I'll be back in a jiffy. Check-in time. I ended up taking off the butterflies because I felt like the airplane was doing enough flying, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. So I'm going to, along here, just go ahead and get the year popped on. A little black on black, but I like that kind of thing. Doesn't have, oh, guys, it's zooming off. It doesn't have to be super obvious. I'm gonna put a couple more sequins over here as well, and then we'll show you the finished project. Oh, but look at how fun all of those sequins look under that jet stream. So fun. Okay, I'm gonna pop on a few more and I'll be right back. All right, guys, that is my finished layout. I did a little bit of a sequin stacking technique here as well as here, which plays off of the massive amount that I have through my jet stream. Is there anything else? Oh, my twine is all woven in. My date is right there, or my year. It's a year. I liked those little typeset keys. I thought they were perfect. All right. I'm going to have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, so you can get your hands on these goodies. For the Facebook group, so DT will be sharing their projects in there and subscribers do. That's all kind of fun. And this is actually goes with the challenge of the month, which is to use a stencil, which is super fun because I had so much fun using this stencil. I think it looks fantastic. Oh, and then of course there is the blog where projects are shared just a little bit more in depth. But that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you like what I came up with, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Oh, still shots to follow, guys. Bye for now.